So, what have we learned today? In the vast universe of cybersecurity, Octo Tempest is a formidable adversary. Operating under multiple aliases like Zero Tapus, Scatterswine, and UNC 3944, this group has wreaked havoc across the globe. Their tactics are as varied as they are cunning, encompassing everything from SMS phishing and SIM swapping to social engineering attacks aimed at help desk personnel. They've been known to purchase credentials, convince individuals to install malicious software, and even utilize AITM phishing toolkits. Beginning their cybercrime spree by targeting mobile telecommunication providers and outsourcing organizations, Octo Tempest has since broadened their horizons. They've set their sights on a wide variety of industries, from gaming and hospitality to retail and manufacturing, and even the financial sector. Their threat level escalated further when they aligned with the Black Cat ransomware gang in mid-2023. Their endgame? Everything from cryptocurrency theft to data exfiltration for extortion, and even deploying ransomware. In the face of such a threat, staying ahead of the curve is critical. As Octo Tempest continues to evolve, so too must the efforts to thwart them. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, vigilance is key. Narrator, voiceover. That's all for now. Until next time, stay safe in the digital world.